How to change your Facebook profile link. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your Facebook profile link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You have to understand what a profile link is. If I open Facebook and if I come to my profile page, if I tap the three dots option here, right here you'll be able to see my profile link, which is facebook.com/my username. So whatever my username is, my username over here you can see bimalbusnet22, which means anything that my username is going to be after facebook.com, that is going to be my profile link. So bottom line is this: if you want to change the URL, you have to change your username. That's simply it. And to do that is also very simple. Just come to the home page, tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon here, then go to Account Center. Once you come to Account Center, I want you to go to Profiles, select your Facebook account, and then select your username. And you can see my username is bimalbusnet2022, which means that if I select any of the other username here, if I hit the done button, that is going to be my custom Facebook URL in this case as well, which means that after facebook.com/your username, that is basically going to be your Facebook URL or your profile link. And that way you can change the username on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then of course feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.